Hello, good evening, beautiful ladies. I'm back. It's still Friday. I just recently got home from work and I thought I would pop in and will remove my makeup. Let's see. So I put this makeup at 7:30 in the morning and it's 7:38 p.m. and if you can see, I have no thank you Olia for sharing. Hi beautiful. So I don't see any black lines from my mascara. My eyeshadow is still on. Everything is how I put it. Maybe the face got just a little bit oilier towards the end of the day, but that's it. Everything else stays in place. And my lipstick could have used some touch up, but I was not gonna do it because I'm gonna remove it anyways. So I just wanted to show you my evening skincare routine. I'm gonna remove my makeup and put the skincare products on that I usually use in the evening. Well, I'm using the stand that you sent me first time, so I hope my phone is not gonna fly out because I have a pop socket in the back, so if it's there is not much space to grab onto it, but hopefully it will stay on. So yeah, as you can see ladies, everything stays on. Like if I rub on my eyeshadow, pretty much nothing comes off. If I just do it with my finger, so I can rub on my eyes, very minimal makeup comes off. So let's get started. This is my favorite wipes, the Shine Claws. I do most of the makeup removal with those. They smell fresh, they remove makeup great, and they hydrate your face. And one wipe is enough to remove everything. I'll show you what I use sometimes if the all mascara doesn't come off, but pretty much this takes off everything. Just gonna go around the face a little bit. See how much it removes. Then I flip it. And then I go over the eyes. If you're watching live, say hi and hashtag live. If you're watching replay, comment replay. Let me know if you've been watching. I appreciate your time for being here and watching. Oh yeah, you have been sick. Hey, I'm sorry. Is it because of the pregnancy or something else is going on? So, becomes pretty nasty looking, but it does the job. That's the point, right? That's the point, for it to take off all the makeup. So, and the skin feels already so much lighter and hydrated. Oh, sniffles. I remember you were saying the whole family were few kids were getting sick, huh? You got it too? So, pretty much clean face. Sometimes what I like to do is use my stick, the cleansing stick, and what I do is just go over the lash lines, do this, and take one of these thingies and just wipe. So it just removes remaining of the mascara. And now I feel like I have pretty clean face. Then I will go get some warm water. Hold on just a second. Usually I just do it over the sink, but with my phone set up I kind of have to sit down, so I'll just use what I do. So I use my skin cleanser that comes in the skincare kit, Younique, and I just take a little bit of, you don't need much, maybe another drop like this, and just rub it over my face. And then I take the warm washcloth again. If you hear extra sounds, that's my daughter taking a bath right here with me. So if you hear bubbly sounds or extra breathing here in the room, that's my daughter. That's Ella taking a bath and having fun. Hi Anya. Thank you for watching. So that's it for cleansing. So then I just dry it off a little bit. And that's it. So next thing I like to do is my serum, and see, I just have a little bit left. I love using it. It's from Younique series. It's personalized for me, for my skin type and what I chose for it to do. It has over, oh yeah, remind me, 2,000 or 4,000 or 400. I don't know, I don't want to lie, but they have so many different ingredients that they can personalize for you. When it comes like a base and 3 booster packages that you put in your bottle, and it's supposed to work for what your skincare goals are. Okay, so again, you just need a little bit, but I use mine in the morning and in the evening to hydrate my skin, kind of give it a little bit of extra nutrient replenishment. So that's what I do. Just do a little bit of serum, apply it, let it kind of absorb into the skin. I love it. It makes my skin so soft and so hydrated, because my skin type is normal to dry. So I always used to feel like my skin is like dry and like it's being scratched on my face if I don't use enough of the products, or if the product is not like oily enough. But with this, with Younique products, they are not oily. They don't feel heavy or oily on my face, but they do the job. They hydrate so much, and they kind of absorb into the skin pores so well that I feel like I don't need anything else. I also use my Younique Beauty oil, right? It's called Uplift Beauty oil. It has vitamin C and some good oils for to hydrate and provide nutrition for your skin. So I just use the little droplet, or you can just do like this. And this oil, I use it in the evening and in the morning under my makeup. Your skin, I mean, makeup is good and I love it, and it covers up imperfections and all that, but you have to take care of your skin. You have to use some skincare first, otherwise your skin is not gonna be glowing and young and beautiful for a long time. Yes, you can cover it with makeup, but skincare routine is important. So you have to apply good nutrients to your skin, so your skin will stay young longer, and you will feel good. You know you know when your skin is healthy. There's no breakouts. It's not wrinkly. You feel hydrated. So that's that. And my last step is usually applying night cream or day cream during the daytime. So I wait for a little bit for the oil to absorb. You can massage it a little bit or wait, maybe do something else like brush your teeth or take care of something else and then come back. And then, so again, my night cream is the one from Yoology. Again, it's personalized for me, for what my skin needs. And it looks like this. Again, I'm almost running out soon because I love it and I use it every night. And again, you don't need all that much, but it does a beautiful job. I have noticed since I started using the Yoology line, which I did start probably, let's see, I signed up for Younique in March. I didn't buy the skincare set right away, so probably since either end of April or, yeah, probably not even April, May, when I bought the set for myself. And since then, my skin has gotten so much better. I actually haven't been having any breakouts for a long time. I haven't had that problem. But my skin used to be dry and patchy, and my age spots had become a little bit less apparent and not as red. The vessels are not so red, like right here. I used to have it very apparent, like almost like spider veins on my cheeks, but they were red, and then some like brownish age spots. And it's summertime now. I've been tanning somewhat. I use SPF, but not 100% of the time. And my skin only has gotten better, not worse, even though I have tanned and not always used them. Sorry, big splash. My daughter is, like I said, she's taking a bath. So yeah, like I said, even though I have been tanning and not always using SPF, my age spots have disappeared and my skin is getting better, so I love it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I will be doing unboxing soon. Probably, I'm thinking tomorrow morning I'll get up and get ready, feed my kids breakfast, and then I'll try to get on and show you what I got in my last Younique box. Not like it's a surprise or anything, I know what I ordered, but I want to put my new personalized new eyeshadow palette. I ordered a new one with 8 colors on it and some little stuff so we can look at it together. I ordered the new lip color, the splash. The color was Sunny. That's the one I had on today. If you watched earlier video, or I'll post a picture in the comments. It's light pink, kind of lighter, brighter pink. I don't know how to describe it, but I like it. It looks good. So I ordered that one, and I ordered her perfume. So I'll show you how everything looks and what I think about it, and maybe we'll do some makeup together. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you want to see something specific, or if you have any questions about products, or about how to use the products, or you need any suggestions, or want to know what I used in the video, or what I used for some other stuff. Just let me know. Comment below if you're watching replay, and say hi if you watched it. Say where you're from. If you see me for the first time, put 1 in a comment. I will personally greet you and say hi. It's nice to meet new people and be able to help. If you don't know me, my name is Marina. I'm a nurse midwife, and I love my Younique skincare and makeup. So I hope to see you again. Bye, have a good night.